we are here in Winnipeg, Canada.
Oh my God, ang gandahan. Tingnan mo yung sunset.
Knowing there's a snowstorm forecast for today hanggang tomorrow. Nandito kami sa Assiniboine Park Zoo. So, tingnan natin ang polar bear. Kung nandyan siya, sana makita natin magpakita.
Sobrang lamig.
Hi guys, so we are checking out for our LA trip. It's currently 11:30 p.m. and we're waiting for our Uber. So we're heading to the airport to go to Winnipeg, Canada. So doon naman tayo sa Canada ngayon mag-explore for 4 days and then we'll be back here sa
US.
Sa US,
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas. So, bye! See you in a bit. Hi guys, we're going to Winnipeg pero stopover namin muna ay Denver and we purchased our tickets sa United Airlines. So, sobrang smooth actually. Wala pang 30 minutes. Boarding na and drop bag lang. Thank you! So, we have our bag dito sa ilalim. And we did check in our 3 bags with a fee. Kaya ang sakit. Ang galing. They're cleaning it already.
You pay me 1,000.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Denver. Now we are going to Winnipeg. We are here at Denver Airport.
The first to welcome you to Winnipeg, where the local time is 1:22. We hope you enjoy your time here or wherever your travels take you, and if this is home, welcome home.
There's lots of time for it.
Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use your phones and tablets. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets to make sure you have all your personal belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll hand you off to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have.
Welcome to Winnipeg!
Just landed.
Yeah! Tingnan natin kung anong weather. See you in a bit. Hi guys, we're here in Winnipeg Airport. So finally, we made it. Sa dami ng puyat natin. Super bilis lang ng immigration. You just have to provide your declaration and then daan ka lang sa immigration, tatatakan ka. Parang ganun lang kadali. Question lang how long ka at saka kung saan ka galing. It's our first time here, so siguro kaya may mga question. But so right now, mag-Uber lang kami papunta sa aming airport. And our airport is... Ay, sorry. Our hotel. Puyat pa. Ang hotel namin ay Fairmont Hotel. So, we'll keep you posted later. Bye-bye. Hi guys, we're here at Fairmont na. And this is our room for 4 days, 3 nights. At ang kanilang toiletries ay lalabo. Of course, if it's Fairmont, it's lalabo. Rose. Okay, complete toiletries. May bathtub. May bathrobe. This is our bed. And it's a queen size ba to o king size bed? So this is it. Cabinets. Okay, there's the bar here. Capsule. Ay, hindi natatanggal. So, coffee and cafe. No safe. Ano na ito?
Coffee.
Coffee capsule. And ba yung capsule nila dito? Tea. Safe. And the bar. Work area. Super nice. I love it. And of course, ang view natin. Let's check our view. Nice! Look at our view, Han. Super nice. Ganda.
Hindi ko natin ako.
Go. So guys, nandito na kami sa Canada, Winnipeg. We are going to visit our relatives, most especially yung aking tita. And dito kami nag-book sa Fairmont Hotel. It's we book it through Agoda. Ang price niya is 20,000 yata or 21,000. Lagi ko na lang dito yung exact amount for 3 nights. So 4 days, 3 nights. And then walang breakfast yun. So accommodation lang. Pero nandito na to sa downtown area. So malapit na to sa lahat ng gusto ninyong puntahan. Ayan. You can also book this through Klook. Just type PPLT Klook to avail 5% discount on hotel, activities, and a lot more here in Canada. So, explore natin yung Canada sa mga darating na araw. Okay? Bye-bye!
We harness it and turn it into reliable, affordable energy. It's not just energy, it's a promise. A promise that connects us all. A promise for the future. Our investment in Manitoba is significant, but the value we generate to...
Hi guys! So, it's our second day here sa Winnipeg. We are here, we're staying here sa Fairmont. And hanggang 28 pa tayo dito sa Winnipeg. May mga asikasuhin lang tayo. And yesterday, I'm supposed to meet my cousin. Ayun, nagkita kami. Nagkita kami ng cousin ko and her family. So, nag-dine out and all. And then, pinuntahan namin yung tita ko. So, dun sa kanyang condo na tinitirhan. But then, wala siya doon. May iba nakatira na pala na tenant. Parang gano'n. So, May of 2023 pala may tenant doon. So, try natin kahapon, tinry natin puntahan yung bahay nung isa ko pang pinsan dito kung saan nandun nakatira, expected natin na nakatira si tita, but then walang nagpapasok sa atin. So, hindi tayo nakapunta. Ngayon, sana makita natin si tita dito kasi siya naman talaga yung pinunta ko dito. Otherwise, kung hindi ko siya makikita, syempre may mga steps tayong gagawin para at least malaman natin kung kumusta yung kanyang well-being. So, samahan nyo kami. We are here in Winnipeg, Canada. And mag-spend tayo dito ng 4 days lang to visit our relatives and of course, check out the beautiful place of Winnipeg. It's actually a province kaya wala masyado makikita pero ang ganda. Nature tripping and chill. So ito kung nakikita nyo tong area na to, this is a lake. Pero it's all frozen. So, nandito tayo sa pinakasikat na area, yung Forks Market. Doon tayo kumain kanina. So, iba-iba naman ang mga ang available na
varieties of food.
Tapos, guys, you must try the cinnamon. It's highly recommended here. Masarap siya, as in super masarap talaga siya. So, right now, baka mag-ikot-ikot lang tayo dito kasi ang ganda ng weather. It's -2. -2 pero maaraw naman. And ayun, tingnan natin kung saan tayo pwede mamasyal sa park or kung saan man. Ayun. So, that's it. Samahan niyo kami.
Ganda. Meron pa ba sa taas?
Meron daw.
Now, one?
Meron po. Zorba and Italia. Gyro. Oo nga, no? Oh. Pizza and lasagna. Pizza.
Yeah, nice. You want? Ano gusto mo? Lasagna?
$5.
Pizza pasta tayo.
Ano? Ito, mukhang masarap. Ay, I like this one. Ulam. Try natin.
Oo nga,
Taste
mukhang spicy na.
Oo. Chicken curry, satay. This one na lang. Taxi.
Oo, mga overboard.
10.
Over na. Ito kanina.
Ganun din. 7. Dito tayo sa Forks Market, dito sa may Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And we are going to explore yung mga pagkain nila dito. So, sobrang excited kami kasi mukhang masasarap yung mga pagkain. Like, we are going to try this one, yung Taste of Sri Lanka. Tignan natin yung mga pagkain. We're actually craving for, kanin. No? Ang tagal na namin hindi nagkakanin. So, magkakanin tayo dito ngayon. Try natin. So here's our food. Deviled chicken is around $14 Canadian dollars. And sobrang dami na. Mine is the chicken curry. Okay, we're gonna try it. Kain na tayo, guys. Chicken curry. So, hindi ko consider yung fact na baka may mas spicy. Kasi chicken curry. Authentic Sri Lanka food. My gosh, ang spicy na.
Paano na kaya to?
Ito
Kaya mo? Devil chicken. So, gano'n kang spicy to? My God. Ngayon natin malalaman. Spicy nga.
Super. Sarap. I like it. 27. Ang hungry.
Super. Iba na yung boy.
Dinamihan pa naman niya yung sauce.
Are you sure? Yeah.
So we bought this cinnamon roll. Roll to, diba? Kasi highly recommended to ng aking pinsan. Sarap daw talaga. Let's try it. It's $3. 3 something. Sarap nga. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. At hindi ganun katamis. Sarap. Good. Ito yung brownies. Tingnan natin kung to die for din itong brownies na to. So big.
Is it? Ano,
Yep.
brownies to die for. Pero naman to, pecan bar. Solid eh.
Okay.
Pecan.
Pecan bar. Ang harap ng brownie.
Mukha nga eh. Parang ano, Hizons, pasok.
Kasi Toblerone. Ang harap. Grabe.
Talaga? Na-curious ako bigla.
Taste it. Lapitan mo pa.
Pag winabol ka, tatakbo ka. Oh my God, ang gandahan. Tingnan mo yung sunset. Ang ganda, oh.
Napipicture ako muna, ha?
Oo. Diyan ka. Ang ganda oh. Pero sobrang ganda naman.
Actually, ang ganda din yan, ano? Wedding ceremony na facing water.
So yung mga guests, nasaan?
Naka dito, paligid.
Lobby area of Fairmont. Ganda ng mga painting, ano? It's for sale. 3.8.
Pwede ka lang Francis eh. Walang mga cakes.
Oo, na?
Diba sa Chinese island may lang?
Yeah. Nice, oh. Radisson Portage Ben Portage.
Ate.
Kasi hindi mo alam eh kung French ba sila or ano pronunciation one. So we are on the 21st level of Fairmont here in Minute. And ito yung kanilang mga amenities, fitness center, pool,
Change room.
men's change room, locker yung tawag, treatment room. Why do you have treatment room?
Ewan ko.
Women's change room, baka may ano, may spa.
Meron nga diba sinabi, anong floor tayo? So,
So ito yung,
pasok tayo.
you have to ano, ikaw gumawa. Okay. Proper things. Wala tayong wrapper. Ay, may wrapper pala tayo. Nice. Nice. Hmm? And towels, water.
Ito naman.
Yeah. So, let's go. Okay, let's go here sa swimming pool. Oh, swimming kaya tayo. Towels. Is it hot? No? Warm. Dry sauna.
Sabay ata pwede.
Pwede. May tao ba? May tao ata eh. Let's go later. You want?
Yeah.
Parang gano'n, no? Mag-ano lang tayo. Bathroom. No?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Nakalagay. Mamaya. Nice.
Malayo ba yun dito?
Ha?
Malayo dito? Saan ba to?
Sa ano? Sa Canada ka, tita? Nandito ka sa Canada.
Saan ito?
Pinuntahan kita.
Saan ito?
Canada?
Canada ba ito?
Oh.
Hindi ko na alam. Canada ba ito?
Oh.
Anong street?
Ano? Toronto. Toronto.
Toronto Street.
Bakit?
Talaga? Hindi ko na alam. Canada pala ito. Tapos kayo sa Pasig. Malayo ba yun?
Galing, ha?
How long it will take?
Malayo yun, tita. Airplane.
Ha?
Airplane.
Nag-plane kayo?
Di ba sabi ko, dadalawin kita dito?
Oo ka.
Naalala mo na. Naalala mo ba?
Matagal na yun eh, di ba?
Eh, ganun talaga, tita.
Sa Pasig
Kahit
kayo,
matagal.
right?
Oo. Diba?
Di ba ang anak mo nakambal? Malalaki na siguro yung bata niya. Ilang grade na sila? Grade 12.
Oo, tamo. Alam mo? Sa nag-aaral.
Merinol.
Oo.
Oo,
Galing.
siyempre eh. Sa Legarda yan eh.
Oo, diba?
Talaga.
Tita, bye-bye.
Alas na kayo?
Love you.
Ayan ay Uber.
Love you, tita.
Thank you very much for
Okay.
Oo.
Thank you very much for visiting.
Love you, tita. Love you, tita.
Bye-bye, tita.
Thank you very much.
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Assiniboine Park Zoo. So, tingnan natin ang polar bear. Kung nandyan siya, sana makita natin, magpakita siya. So, dito to sa Winnipeg pa rin. At ngayong araw na to is March 27. So, sabi nila may snowstorm daw mamayang hapon. Kaya nag-ready tayo na ating puffer jacket. Yes. Can I just insert it?
On the other side, thank you. And then we have a map if you want to scan it with your phone.
Okay.
Or we do have this big giant billboard outside. They're at the zoo as well.
Where can we see the polar bear?
Polar bears are going to be down this middle path. They do have the option to be like roaming or to be swimming. It's totally up to them. They have a bunch of viewing windows along the way, so if you don't see them in one spot, you might see them in another spot. And then they also have in Tender Grill, they have the viewing window towards in the polar bear, so you can see the inside the polar bears as well when you sit in the restaurant as well.
Thank you.
Do you have a food restaurant here?
Yeah, Tender Grill is the restaurant here.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you. Good day.
Have a good day.
Dapat din-download mo yung map. Nasaan? Ha?
Andito.
Ah, meron ka map?
Grabe. Super lamig.
Sobrang lamig.
Grabe na. As in.
Kahapon hindi ganito. Grabe yung lamig ngayon.
Tapos outdoor pala to. So na to. So at least ang priority natin dito yung polar bear. Hindi na yung ibang animal. So doon tayo pumunta.
Ito, picture tayo.
Journey to Churchill.
Ito na yun.
Ito na lahan.
Talaga ito. Picture.
You will see the owl. Buti na lang. Ay, tama ba? Bakit wala na?
Sabi niya, dire-diretso lang daw.
Eh, sarado eh.
Ito, ikot ka, follow the path lang.
Sabi?
Oo.
Sundan natin sila. Wild Manitoba. Wala kaming dalang mga gloves. Grabe. Buti na lang meron akong mask na nandito sa ano, sa bag. Yung tenga namin parang ano na. Saan? Saan siya pupuntahan? Dito tayo. Arctic fox hunt meron dito oh. Nasaan kaya? Where is it? It's not here. There's no fox. Yeah. Walang fox. Pero ito siya.
Buti hindi siya nakakatarin eh.
Ay, ayun! Ang liit lang. Yes, it's
Yes.
there. There it is.
Yeah, they live way up north. See, this is where we are, and they live up there. They live up. They live way up. Mommy used to live here,
Kakaiba yung mga
so just a bit more than where
animals
Mommy
dito,
lived.
no? Mascot.
That's him. Look at their face. The big black nose, big buckshot.
Sheep and goat. Grabe, ang dami. Ang cute oh, may mga bata. So, mag-aabang tayo ng... Oh!
Pasok tayo dito.
11 minutes. Ha, nandito ata. Ay, wala. Ay, ha, nandito. Dali! Ayun na!
Beautiful.
A lot of these parents have participated in a lot of our research for like trips over the years. So, a couple years ago, we did some testing for some new ways to tag bears.
Look at his size. Oh my God.
Totally objective.
Like without preservation around the other.
I know!
He definitely doesn't want protein on it. Danny egg. He has good eyes. You saw that.
Well, they're sometimes they are hard to find. Like you really have to walk around.
Sige dito.
See the list? Yeah, it doesn't look as yellow. Yeah, it's hard.
Polar bear, guys. Naspatan namin.
They're bigger than your feet.
go.
So cute.
There's probably a distortion of size in the curve too. I know.
They got a bear bone. They got a bear bone down.
Look how big the glass is.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Ang
the
laki
best
niya,
time to
no?
come, I think, to see them is like
What's
November. But usually they start sparring and doing all sorts of things. So
Just getting together my phone. Hopefully. I have one. Oh, there's another one.
Ay, isa pa.
He has a carrot in his
Yeah, he does have a carrot in his mouth. You think he went all the way down there to get the carrot?
He's standing on that.
He doesn't look like a very big one.
He's standing on the glass.
Yeah.
I know, see.
He's got funny feet.
He's walking. He's walking. He's getting down on the bed.
They look like teddy bears, don't they?
So you see, no system? Over many years, I've seen the land change. People change the land and they will change you too. Always be respectful of the earth and protect it. If you use it in the right way, it will be here for your children and your children's children.
So, ayun yung mga bear. We have a bear sighting here. Pagkatas nila mag-swimming kanina, pagod na sila. Grabe, no? Gano'n kapal kaya yung balat niyan? Hindi giniginaw. We are going back to the hotel kasi baka may snowstorm daw na around 2 p.m. hanggang gabi, no?
Delikado.
So, delikado siguro. Dahil
Sa kalsada.
sobrang lamig na nga ngayon, eh, no? Kain na lang muna tayo, tapos balik tayo ng
No.
ng hotel.
Saka kakain.
So, hindi na tayo mag-outlet.
Nakita mo lang ang delikado.
This Marcelo restaurant has this unique buffet. Feeling lang namin unique kasi syempre wala nito sa Pilipinas, no, Han? Their buffet is 2.69 per 100 gram and yung soup nila is 4.50. Very much delicious. Sandwiches here, parang Subway, and mga breads.
Coffee. Hot chocolate to pareho?
Hindi, sa'yo. Hot choco. Sa akin, English toffee.
Free ito, oh. Hot chocolate and English coffee. Try nyo rin ito, masarap.
Yeah.
And it's snowing here in Winnipeg. Naabutan kami ng snowstorm. It's March 27 right now, or today, and it's snowing. There's a snowstorm forecast for today hanggang tomorrow. Grabe talaga si Winnipeg. Few minutes of ano lang, snow. Nag-build up na yung kalye. Grabe. We are located here at Fairmont, downtown area. Ang ganda ng presentation, guys. We ordered for in-room dining. Yes, so kasi hindi tayo makalabas. Bilang hindi tayo makalabas, guys, dahil may snowstorm. So, we have no choice but to eat here inside the hotel. And, ito na nga siya. Ayan. So, dahil gabi naman na, so, just this burger and fries and drink para at least haba ng ano, ng...
Good.
How was it?
Good.
Hopefully tomorrow before kami makaalis, makapagpasyal pa kami, you know. But then, sabi ng staff, baka until tomorrow daw to. But anyways, buti na lang, at least yung 2 days namin, medyo na-enjoy namin, no? So, let's eat, guys. So, 3 days na kaming hindi na papalinis ng room. Yung ano dito, yung housekeeping Pinoy. Daing Pinoy dito, sobra, no? As in, may enjoy mo.
Kahit yung kinainan natin kanina sa ano? Yung sa baba, sa basement.
Kinainan namin sa basement. Pinoy. May ano dyan? Knife and ano. I need a plate. So this the burger is $26 Canadian dollar. Kailangan natin magtipid. Kasi we still have 1 week in Vegas. So kailangan natin tipirin yung ating budget. Grabe ang ano, grabe ang hina ng peso natin.
Oo nga.
Ang dugo ng gastos. Like, you know, guys, sa US, Uber, 1,000, 2,000, no?
Pinakamahina na yung 1.5.
Pinakamahina na yung 1.5. One way. Kasi
gusto
parang...
Gusto malapit natin sa crypto. Crypto natin 1.5.
As in. Ang hirap kasi mag-risk na mag-bus kasi nandun daw yung mga homeless. So, syempre, dahil first time natin sa LA, hindi naman din natin alam kung anong mapasikot-sikot. So, ang hirap maglakad, ang hirap mag-risk. Kasi nasa trend din daw nakatira yung mga homeless. Tapos, nasa bus din daw, no? And minsan nga may nagugulat ka na, may sisigawan, no? Dito na nga medyo bumababa yung presyo ng pagkain. Pero enjoy yung LA, no? Dami talaga attraction sa LA. Kung may family kayo, guys, please don't book sa may downtown area. It's not suitable for kids. Dapat banda kayo sa may Anaheim or sa airport na lang, tapos mag-commute na lang.
Better airport.
Mag-commute na lang kayo. Anaheim medyo malayo. For Anaheim kasi andun yung Disneyland. Grabe, Sarap. It's all snow.
So, how's the day today?
Yeah, good.
Where are you going today?
We're going to Las Vegas.
Oh, you from yes?
Ano?